In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in ClickUp. This is a great feature if you want to streamline your workflow by creating reusable task templates. So, let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open ClickUp. If this is your first time, ClickUp is a powerful project management tool designed to help you and your team organize tasks effectively. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by your workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if you're new to the platform. You should see various projects and functionalities depending on your usage. Next, let's select a space. In ClickUp, spaces are high-level containers used to organize everything you're working on, such as teams or departments. Think of them as folders. You can navigate to your preferred space from the sidebar, where a list of available spaces should appear. This is helpful if you're handling multiple projects and want to keep everything well organized. Once you've found your desired space, the next step is to click on the three dots icon. This icon is typically located next to the space name or within a menu. Clicking it will drop down a menu with additional options. It's a nifty button that serves as a gateway to more detailed functionalities in ClickUp, making it your go-to for deeper configurations. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on the Templates option. This is where the magic happens. Templates in ClickUp allow you to save and replicate tasks, which is incredibly beneficial for repetitive processes. This feature enables you to preserve not just the task itself, but also any subtasks, details, and lists, ensuring consistency across your projects. Once you're inside the Templates section, the next action is to click on Save as Template. This option allows you to take the specific task setup you've created and prepare it for future use. When you click this, you'll be prompted to input a name for your template. Naming your template is crucial for easy identification later on. Be precise and descriptive with the name, so you and your team can instantly recognize what the template is for when you need it. Finally, after typing in the template name, go ahead and click on Save Template. This action completes the process, permanently adding your new task template to your ClickUp toolkit, ready to be utilized whenever necessary. It can be a real time saver, especially when managing extensive projects with multiple recurring tasks. With these steps, you've mastered creating a task template in ClickUp, a skill that will enhance productivity and organization in your projects. Remember, using templates not only ensures consistency, but also saves you time, allowing you to focus more on the actual tasks that need your attention. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy ClickUp templating.